Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, February the 15th, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle. The binary puzzle. Two puzzles are left, two regular puzzles, the medium Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. But first, we'll solve this medium Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Well, news of the day, war day number 357. 357 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything changed in the world. Yes. And in 9 days, it will be 1 year. 1 year in war. Yeah. Well, this medium Sudoku will be number 5964. And before I start, I always count a print the digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits already counted. I've noticed that medium Sudoku has always 26, sometimes 27, but not for this one. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in additional, it will be a 2 stars. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit, 15 to 20 minutes. Is this really a 2 stars? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Alright, let me scan the puzzle. We have a 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, there are only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the last column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here, 7 in this row. No 7 in those 2 boxes, so the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. Well, I think the 7 should be there because in these 2 boxes cannot be a 7 in this row because we have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or there. Here, 7 in this column, so no 7 there. So that definitely the 7 should be here. Oh, wait, 7, 7. 7, 7, 7. Well, 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. Wait. 1, 1. 1. Well, 3 missing numbers now in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9. 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9. And look, this box can be a 1 or a 6 because we have a 1 and a 6 in this big square. So no 1 and a 6 in this box. The 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes there, so 1 digit left in this row for the number 9. Then. How about the 4 in the first row, the 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, there are only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this row. One of them missing number in this row. Second row is number 6. Here in these 2 boxes can be a 6 because we have a 6 in this big square. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here can be a 6 because we have a 6 in this column. So no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 in the second row should be there. Alright. Okay. 1, 3, 8. Then. Let me see. 2. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the third column. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this big square, so no 2 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this big square. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 7 goes there. So now we have 2 missing numbers. In the third column for numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Okay. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. Cannot continue with the 1. Now, how about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9. And look, we have a 5 and a 9 in this row. Second row, so no 5 and 9 in this box. The 5 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and 3. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the middle column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Then how about the number you know, 8 here, 8 and the 8 and the Come on. 7, 9, 2. Well, 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. And look, we have 2 and 8 in this row. So no 2 and 8 in this box. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in the last column for number 9. Alright. And now, 9. Oh, wait. 9, 9. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright, 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. How about the 8 in this row? 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Wait. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And look, we have a 2 and a 4 in this row. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 3. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 2. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. What numbers? The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes and there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. What numbers? The 1, the 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. Right. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column be 3 in the second column. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. Alright. Then 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Wait. Then. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 6 goes there. Alright. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the first column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 7 goes there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7's are used. I can see digit number 4, number 7. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4. The 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in the 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. Same numbers in this big square. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. 2 stars. Well, no. Let me give this a 1 star because I'm faster than 50 minutes. And yeah, I'm real pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last regular puzzle, a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. Until then, bye bye for now.